Hey there everyone, this is Chip with Solus Lighting and Electrical. Here to go over a little tutorial on how to use the Cam Scanner app, some of the basic and more advanced features. This is an app that everybody that uses paper for their work orders is going to have to learn how to use this app, because you need to scan those images, that paperwork, and then send it into the office each and every single day. So let's get started. We're going to ask that you take out your phones, follow along so you can see where the settings are and how to use this app properly. It should be here on your home screen, called CS Cam Scanner. If not, you might not find it there. You might have to scroll to one side or the other. Might even be located down here under Apps. If you click on that, you can find it with all of the apps. But again, it's listed there, Cam Scanner CS. Click on it once and it takes you to the home screen of the app. The first thing that we're going to want to do is adjust two settings so that you can use this and it works darn near perfect every time. So to go to the settings menu, click on the CS in the upper corner here, and you'll notice this menu bar slid open. You can actually access this menu bar at any time by sliding it to the left or just sliding it to the right. But down at the very bottom one here says Settings. Go ahead and click that. And now we want to get to the scan settings. So you're going to have to click this. This is the scan and the PDF settings. So click that once. And the top two are the ones that we want to focus on. The top one says Auto Crop Image. So if you click that, you'll notice a little check mark pops up off in the corner. You want to make sure that that is checked. You can see it check and uncheck, but we want to make sure that it's checked. We're going to auto crop the images and let the application automatically resize the documents for you. The second one we want to do is right below. It's called Enhance Mode, and right now it should probably be set to Auto, but if you click that, you have several options to choose from, including Auto, Original, Lighten, Magic Color, Grayscale, and Black and White. We want black and white because, let's face it, that's what we're going to be scanning, your documents, your black and white documents. So once you click that, you'll notice that the top two, it's now checked, and Enhanced Mode says black and white. All right, let's go back to the main menu and we're going to start scanning. To do that, you click back this CS button in the corner, click it once, twice, and 3 times, you're back to the home screen. Okay? We're now ready to scan our first document. We have a work order here, and we're going to scan that. So to begin with, scan the document. You click this little image of a camera, and it brings up the camera feature, and you'll see the image in the background here. Now, it's best if you have a dark contrasting background to your documents. You find that you might have to adjust the border if you don't have a dark background. Maybe if you use a lighter background, it may not pick it up as easily. But I've used a black one here just so that the contrast is real easy for you to pick up, or for the camera to pick up. Okay? Sometimes we're not able to get the image perfectly centered into the camera, so it's okay. You might be a little bit off at an angle or a little bit side, a little bit at a corner. I'm going to show you how this thing works anyway. We're going to put it a little bit at a diagonal in the frame, and we're going to press the button right down here to take the picture. We'll click once on the frame. It automatically focuses. The little green box pops up showing you that it's focused. Click the camera. It took a picture. And now it asks you, do you want to oops, let me go back to that and redo that again. It asks you if you're happy with it by showing you an X mark. You can eliminate it, delete it. You can go back to the menu and take it over, or you can hit the check mark showing that it's okay. We want to hit the check mark. And you'll notice now that it's automatically cropped the image as it saw it, but it's not right side up. It got it sideways. So the way that you fix that is right down here there's a little box that shows the rotate view. Click that and you'll see that it automatically rotates it. Alright? It's still not perfectly square, but that's where the beauty of this application adjusts it. So click the check mark showing you that it's okay. It automatically resizes it, reshapes it, flattens the image, and you'll notice that it made it appear black and white. That's the best and easiest way to read it. It's the smallest image size and takes up less data space when we send this via email, okay? All the other options are listed up at the top, the original, lighten, magic color, gray mode. At any time you could click one of those and you could see the image change, but it'll pop up automatically as black and white. Go ahead and leave it at that, and that's exactly how we want it. Now we're going to save it by clicking this check mark. Notice it says saving. That's it. The document is now saved. The problem, though, is that it's called New Doc. We want to change the name of this to the control number, to your 9-digit or 10-digit control number, so that when you send it into Work Tickets, we always have it listed just as those 9 digits are shown on your paperwork, okay? So to do that, click here, this little button in the upper right-hand corner, this little pencil to edit it. You'll notice the word New Doc is now highlighted. We can click the little X box. It brings up the keyboard, and we can now change the name. In this case, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. We'll rename it as that. We'll click the box or the check mark in the upper corner, save it. That image is now saved and ready to be sent off. Okay. At any time, right down here in the lower right-hand corner, you can see the word share, and this is how you send it via email to the Documents folder, Work Tickets. Click share. It'll bring up a number of options here for you. You're going to share it via Gmail. It'll automatically open up your Gmail account, and up where it says to, we're going to click that. We're going to type in the word work, W-O-R-K, and you'll notice 4 options pop up. Work.tickets, work.ticket, work ticket, and work tickets. Doesn't matter which one you select, they all go to the exact same place. And so pick any of them, click it. That's it. That's all you have to do. It automatically names the email based upon the number of the document or the name of the document. And it's attached down below. You can see that little paper clip there. So all you do is press the send button up here in the corner. And that's it. It's done. Don't need to do anything else. Those are the basic features of the CAM Scanner app. Next, we'll show you the more advanced features. Okay?